So come to again natural numbers, sum of natural numbers. So first natural number is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dash 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 n natural numbers. So sum of natural numbers, first formula. Its formula is n times n plus 1 time over divide by 2. Next series formula is sum of square of sum of squares of natural numbers. Sum of squares of natural number. That means 1 plus 2 plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. 3 square.
Why is it of 2?
This is called square. 1 times 1, 2 times 2, 3 times 2. This is the square. And n numbers is square. And their sum. Its formula is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 over 6 over 2 into 3.
Is it always on over 6?
Yes, we can say. Yes, it is also over 6. Now sum of cubes of natural numbers. So cubes means 1 times 1 times 1 plus 2 times 2 times 2 plus 3 times 3 times 3. So n cube. Its cube formula is similar to this first one formula, but squaring of this formula. This is the cube's formula. So there is three formulae. First is natural number sum, second is squares sum, third one is cubes sum. All numbers starts from 1 because they are natural number. Natural numbers starts from 1, and we can take now some problems or questions based on these. And okay, so these three formulae are important. All three formulas we have to remember. So first come to 1 square, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus till suppose 10,000. Last number is 10,000. So sum of this 10,000, 1 to 10,000, all the numbers is first we write 10,000 multiply 10,001 over 2. This is the sum. And we multiply numerator first. So we get and divide by 2. It gives us 5, 0, 0, then 0, then 5, then thousands. This we get. Now can you find out the sum of this square series? 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square and till 10,000 square.
It's always above 2.
Square, that is called square. This is power 2 is called square. So can you calculate using above formula? So formula is here n times n plus 1 times 2n plus 1 over 6. 6 is written as 2 into 3. So this is the this term is similar to natural number sum, and 2n plus 1 over 3, this is the extra term.
Okay.
So sum we can say, first we write 10,000. So n into n plus 1 over 2, its sum is this number we obtained here in the above term. So we can directly write 5000, then 5000. This is the this value term, and 2n plus 1 we can write in the multiply. So 2 into 10,000, 10,001, 20,001. So we write here 20,001 over 3. So this is divisible by 3. So we divide here 3. This we write as it is, and it will divide say 6 times 6 3 is 18, 2 20, again 6, again 6, then 7 times. Now multiply 6667 by 5000 and 5. So first we multiply by 5 with 7, right side starts 35, 3 carry, 30 plus 3 33, 3 carry, 30 plus 3 33, 3 carry, 30 plus 3 33. Now this cross, now this cross also, this cross also. Now start from 5. So same number we obtained again, 5 3 3 3 3. Add them. So after addition we obtained this number, and followed by 30. 3 right side, on right side we followed 30. This is our final answer. It is quite large number. So we can say it is 33 billion. 33,368,335,000. This is a quite large number. And third one we can say the natural numbers series of cubes. 1 cube plus 2 cubes plus 3 cubes till 10,000 cube. So its sum is same as n into n plus 1 over 2, and its formula is squaring of this number. We write this as it is and we square here. Square of this number will be our final answer. So square of 50005 we find out first. And its square of, after we put the 0 in the right side. So start from right side, 5 5 is 25, then this 0 0, then 5 5 is 25, then cross, second cross, then third cross, then fourth cross. Now this 5, so we write, so we get as our answer 2500500025, and on right side 30 becomes 60 because we are multiplying 2 times. So it's, this is the answer. It is much more larger than this is thousands, millions, billions. It is 250 trillions near about. So this is practically is not possible, but by formula we can calculate in few minutes. This is a few minutes work by formula. So there was 3 formula. First formula was n into n plus 1 over 2, that is sum of n natural numbers, and in the cubes it is also same formula and using same formula, but this time we use of square. And in the middle one we use same formula, but this time it is also multiplied by 2n plus 1 over 3, and here is 2. So the thing is that the basic is this formula. First formula is the basic, that we use in third one also, in second one also. So partially in second one we multiply 2n plus 1 over 3, and in the third one we only square of the first formula, that gives us cubes. So this is also riddle. If you ask riddles about these three formula based questions orally, you can make it riddle. Suppose you ask riddles of till 10 square. So in that case, it means 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 2 is 4, and similarly 3 times 3 is 9, and similarly in the end 10 square is 100. But when you add, it will take time. But you can use formula by using n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 over 6. So it gives us just 11 times 10, 110. It is 21. So it gives us 2310, 2310 over 6. It will divisible by 6. So 6 3 is 18, 5 51, 6 8 is 48, 30. So 385 is the answer. So if you use formula, you will get the answer 385, and if you take by using addition, it needs 10 lines, or it will take times to get the 385. The sum of the 10 numbers is taking time. If you increase the number till 15, it will take more time. So but the formula take the same time. So the number of in the larger number is reducing our main time. So square series formula we have to remember, as well as natural numbers, as well as cubes number. And I told you the squares till 30 you have to learn.
Yes.
Okay, and cubes till 20, cubes till 20 you have to learn. So let us write 20 cubes. So what this is the written as cube, one cube. One cube means 1 into 1 into 1. So 1 cube means 1. And what is 2 cubes? 2
2
cube.
cubes. 4.
No, 2 into 2 into 2.
No, 8.
3 cube.
27.
4 cube.
64.
5 cube.
Is 175.
Correct. 6 cube.
216.
7 cube. 343.
343.
Yes. 8 cube. 8 cube. 8 cube. 8 times 8 times 8.
Is it 50, 512?
Correct. 9 cube.
729.
Correct. 10 cube is 10
Yeah.
cube. Easy one. That is 1000. Now 11 cube. 11 cube.
1331.
Correct. 12 cube.
1728.
Correct. 13 cube.
2197.
Correct. 14 cube.
2744.
Correct. 15 cube. 15 cube.
Uh, 13,375.
Correct. 16 cube.
4,096.
Correct. 17 cube.
4,913.
Correct. 18 cube.
5,832.
Correct. 19 cube.
6,859.
Correct. 20 cube.
8,000.
Correct. So I think we have taken 3 minutes or something. So if we learn all these cubes till 20, we have to learn only till 15 second, 30 seconds. This is the enough time to write all the cubes. Okay. Now listen carefully. There is what is 12 cube? What you told me 12 cube?
1,729.
No, there is the 8 in the end.
Oh,
So there is 12 cube is here and 1 cube is here. If we add both the number, we get 1729.
oh.
And this number is a special number. It is called Hardy-Ramanujan number. Professor of mathematics Hardy and Ramanujan, they made this number Ramanujan. Hardy-Ramanujan number. This is special number 1729. This is the sum of two cubes number. This is 1 cube and 12 cube. So one more number after 1729 is 4104. 4104. This is also Hardy-Ramanujan number, and it is also has two numbers cube. One is 2, that is 8, and the next one is 16. So 4096 plus 8 is 4104. So it is sum of two cubes number 16 cube and 2 cube. And similarly 9 cube, that is 729, and 15 cube, that is 3375. If we add 9 and 15 cube, we get again same 4104. So 4104 is obtained by two methods. One is 2 and 16, and another one is 9 and 15. So there are two possibilities in 4104. So this is second Hardy-Ramanujan number, and this is 1729 is first Hardy-Ramanujan number, and third one is also available, that is 13832. 13832. This is third Ramanujan number, and it is the sum of 18 cube and 20 cube. 18 cube is 5832 and 8000 is 20 cube. So 18 and 20 cube, when we add, we get 13832. And one more is 2 cube, that is 8, and 24 cube, that is it's also give just 13832. So 2 and 24 also give us Hardy-Ramanujan number. So 3 Hardy-Ramanujan number you can learn, and it will come in your some exams in Olympiad as well as in some mathematics competition exam. So I hope this is the cubes, and cubes gives us Hardy-Ramanujan number based some tricks. Okay. So to reduce the time, we have to learn all the 20 cubes and 30 squares. So square series we have done, and I have sent you the today's some problems we can discuss. So mathematics Olympiads first question is, there are 7 questions. M is older than R. M is older than R. Q is younger than R.
Isn't it M?
R and N. Yes, R and N both. N is not as old as M.
M is the answer.
N is not old as M. What is the oldest among all?
Is it M?
So we
Is
can.
it M?
So
Because it says, so like it says Q is younger than R and N. So we know that the Q would be at the bottom.
we can say younger one can we write on the top. So Q is older than R and N. So Q is younger, so we write on the top of the R and N. M is older than R, so M is older, so M we write on the bottom side. N is
N
not
is older than N as well.
N is not old as M, and Q is younger than R and N. So Q is on the top, and I think where is the N in that case? N may be on the bottom of M. There is no hint of N. N will lie.
M is the answer. M.
N is older than why N is the eldest?
M because it says N is not as old as M.
Okay, this line is main the trick. This line is N is not old as M. So it means N is younger than M.
Yes.
Correct. So M is the eldest one. Otherwise, the fourth statement is data inadequate. That has confusion. That may create some confusion. Data inadequate if this statement is not understood. So M is correct. A option. Second one is, which of the given option will complete the given pattern? So pattern is 3D. Next number is 8G. Next number is 13J.
Pattern here.
There is the pattern. Then question mark.
So if you see, starting with 3D, then it goes to 8G, and then it goes to 13J. That means it's going to become 8 something, 18 something again, 18.
So plus
Next to
5.
8 is an 8.
Plus 5 is there in
Yeah.
numbers. So
It has to be an 8.
so there is 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 5 13, 13 plus 5 is 18.
But if we see, there's two options with 18, B and C.
Now
Which is
come to
18L or 18M.
in alphabet, D comes at 4, G
Yeah.
comes at 7, J comes at 10. So there is the difference of 3 in alphabets. So next alphabet will come at 13, and
And so M.
30.
18M.
Yes, next alphabet is 16, that is P. So gap of 3 is there. Gap of 3 is there, so 16 is P. So P is given, so 13M is the right answer. 18M is the right answer. C option. Next, here is a given square. In the given square there is line.
Aren't they exactly the same?
Yes, the pattern should follow same.
So isn't it C?
In the C option
The
only.
exact same.
Yes, C in the line should come. So the line should come this way, continue, and then this continue. Yes, this is given in C option, so C option is correct. So this will complete the pattern. Next, count the number of triangle in the given figure. So here is the given square. We need to count.
I think it is 15.
So first,
I think it's 15.
there is a none of these option also that creates the problem. We can write the name first. Triangles. Then the name after H is I, J, K, L, M. After writing the name, we can count the triangle. H, D, I is first.
Wait, it's none of these.
How many you are counting?
I've counted 14.
14. At least option give starting is 15. So there is two triangle and third one is HDC. First come to small triangle. Small 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are small triangle. Then come to bigger triangle. The 8 smaller triangle we obtained here 8. After small, this one is also in triangle. So small triangles is 8. And after taking two triangle at a time, so some two triangles we can say that is this one, this one. So two triangles is HDC. Similarly CDB, similarly BFA, then ADE. So four triangles is there this way. So two triangles is way is 4. Now come to bigger triangle. Big triangle.
Or is it 15?
Bigger triangle. So bigger triangle is we can say here 1, then 1, then 1, small 4 is there bigger. Now here is also combination of 2. This one is also bigger. So 4 one is again here. So again more bigger. More bigger triangle. That one is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So HEG. This one is first H triangle HEG. So in this way 4 triangle is there. Bigger. So I think 8 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 that gives us 20. Is there any left the triangle? So I D 20 is the final answer, I think.
Wait, how?
Look the look 1 2 3 4 8 is the small one. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Now come to 2 1. This one. Similarly this one.
Oh, I forgot to count those.
This one is 4. Okay. Now come to more bigger. More bigger means this one.
Yeah.
So there is also 4. Now come to more bigger. This one is more bigger. So 4 again. So it gives us total sum 20. And I think
18.
so. C option is B option is
I'm
correct.
pretty sure it's 18.
4 plus 4 plus 4 12. 12 plus 8 20.
Oh. Oh, yeah.
So 20. B option is correct. Next come to question 5. There is a given pattern. There is a certain relationship between P and Q. So there is P and Q, two figures given. So this is the certain relationship between P and Q. And we have to identify next figure. Similar pattern. Here is dark, then arrow, then hollow. So what comes in the next figure? There is opposite in the upward downward. Here is upward, its answer is downward. Here is downward, its answer is upward. Here is down, its answer will be upward. So I think the dark is in upward. So next time it is downward. Here is downward, it comes upward. So dark, but the figure is different. Different figure is the different. So this one is a square shape. So square, upward square shape dark will be there. And arrow in the bottom, it will come in the top. And this hollow circle will come on the bottom. In which option this figure is given? That is C option. This is given in C option. I think you have recognized why we choose the C. Is there any difficulty?
No.
This is just opposite the pattern. The pattern is just opposite given patterns. And next come to sixth. In a certain code language, certain is written as in a certain code language. In a certain code language, certain is written as CERTAIN is written as DFS TCKP. Then how will popular? So popular will be written in that language. So we have to identify a popular code. So what is popular code in that language? So we can say after C next letter is D. After E next letter is F. After R next letter is S. After T, the T is not changed. T is here remains same. After A, B is missing, then C. So there is one letter B is missing. After I, J is missing, then K is there. After N, O is missing, P is there. So it means last three are there is the gap. So totally seven letters. Totally seven alphabet there.
Isn't C the? I think my answer is C.
So first three letters only we this one unchanged, and then one letter missing. So P, after P is Q, after O is P, after P is Q, then U remain as it is. After L is M, then O.
Oh.
M L M N. N will come. After A,
D.
B is missing, C will come. After R, S is missing, then T will come. So Q P
D.
Q P Q U N C T. D option. Next question number 7. Seventh is Arjit correctly remembers that he visited Punjab before 13 August. So there is a person name, suppose A Arijit. So he remembers correctly. So Arijit visited Punjab Arijit visited Punjab before 13 of August. Arijit visited Punjab before 13 of August, but after 9th August. But after 9th August. So it means between 9 and 13, Arijit visited the Punjab.
It's 12.
His sister Tariska correctly remembers that Arijit visited Punjab after 11th August but before 14th of August. So sister remembers. So sister give the hint after after 11th, after 11th and before, after 11th and before 13,
14.
before 14, yes, 14th August. So that means
So it's saying, so if you see, it says that that Arjit said that after 9, before 13, but after 9, but, but then Trishika is saying that after 11, but before 14. So if 11 and 13, the only between is 12.
correct. So according to Arijit, the date may be 10, 11, 12, but according to sister, date may be 11 to 14. That means 12 and 13. So common in both the date is 12. So 12th August is the correct answer. That is given in B option. I'm sending you next page.
And can I also send homework?
Okay. So from 11 to 18 there is the maths question, that is your homework. Now we can discuss question number 8 to 10 today. Question 8.
Okay.
Select the odd one out. In first figure, select odd one out. This one is first figure. In second figure, in third figure, in fourth figure.
I think it's C.
Why? Yeah.
Actually, no, I don't.
D is also why we can say C or D.
Actually, I don't know.
I think the question is easy one. Is it any difficulty?
I don't know.
Any idea about which may be answer? There is the four option. A option,
I don't know.
okay. Now it's a you can say the shape of the downward. The shape of the downward is in B and D, okay, and shape of upward in C. But in A option, the hands position is upward and legs position is downward. That may create odd one out
Yeah.
because the same direction is given in B, downward, upward in A, C.
Oh.
You see the shape, same shape, but in the A option, the hands is in upward and legs is in downward. That will create odd one out.
Okay.
Next, come to question 9.
I think it's A here.
There is the three circles, and three circles indicate boys. Venn diagram: boys,
I
students,
think it's A.
and sports person. So, sports person. So A is given in this way. So some there is a boys, and boys may be student, but all boys are not students. Some boys left from school, and some boys are sports person, because some girls also sports person. So some part of the boys and some students part is also sports person. So A is correct. It is very correct. A. B is not correct. B is given in this way because this is not linked. So all the three are interlinked at some place, and this circle is totally different than both the circle, and first circles surround the other circle, that is also not correct here. And third one is C option is also incorrect, because there are two circle inside the first one circle, so there is no logic that boys has students and boys has sports person, but all the that means all the sports person are boys, all the students are boys. That is not correct, because some sports person are girls also. That's why C is incorrect. And D is also, can say, this is sports person, but sports person may be also girls, and so sports person, this is sports person, and this one is students, and last one is boys.
Right.
I think C D option is more correct. D op-
Yeah.
I think D is more correct, because we can say the circle is either linked with the boys, and some boys are student, because some left the school. But D is incorrect. D is incorrect. I think some sports person, because sports person also may be student, so A is correct. Correctly, there is common part also between boys, student, and sports person. Some students, some boys are all, have all three category. They are student, they are also sports person. So this one is all three common is given in A option. This one is correct. So some boys are all three characteristics show by boys. A option is correct here. Last one, find the correct water image of the figure. So there is the circle given. Circle has 50% are vertical lines. So here is vertical lines, and 50% are horizontal lines. So here is horizontal lines, and
I think it is A. I think it is A.
A. So we have
A
to,
or B.
water image means upside down we can change. It's water image. So there is the downward this arrow, it becomes upward.
Oh.
It becomes upward.
This is B.
Yes.
What thing I B?
This left side arrow remain as it is left side. This upside may be on downside, and this partition is remain same. Vertical is here, remain same, and horizontal is here, that remains same. So this option we select from the given option, and I think C option is correct. In D option only two arrow given, that is eliminated directly in the without. So C option is the answer. So in water image only upside, if the this pane's water image, it makes us upside down. This is the water image, and this is the pane. So pane's water image only gives us by making it upside down. So this is the water image of this given. So I think we have done all the 10 problems of aptitude based. Next is maths question, that is 1 to 11 to 18, and this one you can do as your homework, I think. Okay.